Safety is of course paramount, so in what ways can industry players guarantee that freight deliveries are safe for drivers, vehicles and pedestrians? Luis Fernando Avila Fuentes, IT Digital Director of Ferromex, a Mexican rail consortium, is about to explain how Huawei's video surveillance technology is key to achieving that aim.
Hi, welcome to Mexico. My name is Luis Avila and I am the Digital Director for Ferromex. In the next few minutes, we will talk about who we are and our role in Mexico, as well as on how Huawei's technology has helped Ferromex to improve different operational and security aspects of our operation. In the same way, we will talk about some of our challenges and our operational and technological plans. Let me give you a bit of background on Ferromex. Ferromex is one of the 5 divisions of Grupo México Transportes. In Mexico, there are 3 main railroads. 2 of them belong to Grupo México Transportes. Those are Ferromex, with almost 10,000 kilometers of railway represented in the map with the red line, and Ferrosur, with almost 1,000 kilometers of railway represented on the map in the green line. We are one of the 8 Class 1 railroads in North America. Ferromex and Ferrosur, with almost 11,000 kilometers of railway in Mexico, offer cargo transportation services to 24 of the 32 states of Mexico. That said, our coverage is approximately 75% of national territory and represents 86% of the gross domestic product. Ferromex has 32 yards throughout Mexican territory, and only 5 of them are considered main yards to its complexity, and they are known as classification yards. In the same way, Grupo México Transportes provides cargo transportation services in 2 states of the US, Florida and Texas, through Florida East Coast Railway and Texas Pacific Railway, contributing with this to 13% of the gross domestic product of such country. Grupo México Transportes offers also seamless integration with the US and Canada through exchange points. And within this, we have 6 border points with USA, as you can see in the map. During last year, Ferromex moved more than 1.9 million carloads with its 880 locomotives and more than 26,000 cars. Our workforce consists of more than 11,000 employees. In general, last year, more than 47 billion pesos of revenue were generated mainly in the following commercial segments: agriculture, intermodal holding, minerals, automotive, industrial, among others. And from the investment perspective, investments for the year 2020 in marketing and sales projects represent 11 times the total investment of the same nature in years between 1999 and 2019, accounting for almost $500 million US. As mentioned, Ferromex's operational complexity, talking about, again, it's 11,000 kilometers, 880 locomotives and 32 yards, is huge and requires monitoring in real time. Ferromex faces on a daily basis challenges in security, operations, and protection areas. Operating safety within the yards, such as car movements, getting in and out of the locomotives, the train movement itself, and the operational practices in the origin destiny, as well as the analysis of the conditions of the rail components like ties, rails, etc., have to be monitored, strictly monitored to avoid derailments. In security, Ferromex faces situations such cross-level accident on the railway, where despite indication and alerts, drivers and pedestrians frequently try to beat passage to the train crossing, causing major accidents and in many cases, fatal incidents. We also face the theft of the transported goods, where the train is forced to stop and the wagons are open to steal the goods or the cargo. And with this, Ferromex is not only affected just by the theft, but also in fuel consumption when the train has to start running again. On the other hand, detection of dragging objects is key and must be monitored in real time to avoid other type of accidents or even current damage. In general terms, I can say that real-time monitoring, the event log of security incidents, and preventive operations are key for Ferromex's efficiency. Ferromex has decided on Huawei's technology to mitigate risks I already mentioned. Ferromex and Huawei then designed a very complete and robust CCTV solution that allows real-time monitoring. The areas where this CCTV solution has been implemented as the first phase are yard surveillance, yard management, way surveillance, fiscal reserve areas, surveillance and inspection, and safety and security in general. Huawei solution implemented in these areas consists of 378 cameras, 120 RTN 510 microwave radios, 6 servers, and 38 PowerCube 500 with power supply for remote sites. Those are implemented, as mentioned, within Ferromex's yards and or along the strategic roads. When we talk about yard surveillance and supervision, Huawei solution now offers Ferromex the following benefits: 24/7 monitoring based in analytics for objects, people, and vehicles in movement within or along our premises. This has contributed to the prevention and monitoring of the presence of unauthorized personnel, vandalism, robbery, or sabotage of railways and locomotives. Huawei's infrastructure also complies with norms and regulations that are required for yards borders within or close to the United States. 24/7 face and license plate recognition analytics, being able to identify all the locomotives and cars going in and out of the yards, but also matching the actual train configuration versus the planned one. 24/7 security alerts, allowing our operational control center to effectively manage operation for delays or non-planned movements of trains and or locomotives inside the yards. Yard inventory management and railway or tracks congestion information in real time is key for efficiency in the classification yards. With this, Huawei technology has helped us to increase decision-making process. It was also significantly improved the efficiency of the car management process that complements our train management system information. Ferromex, as mentioned, is also installing CCTV infrastructure at a level crossings in order to avoid this fatal incident mentioned. When talking about way surveillance, we are able to have 24/7 train passing information, train consist, as well as identification of car status. 24/7 animal, people crossing, walking within the track, existence or presence of barricades or potential robbery. Train and car detect trailing object is monitored as well as accident prevention. And within the security and surveillance area, robbery prevention and robbery alerts are being allowed thanks to the Huawei's technology. Ferromex recognizes the value of investment in Huawei's infrastructure. Our safety and security challenges are being reduced, and our productivity and effectiveness have been increased. Therefore, we will increase CCTV coverage of video surveillance locations in existing and new areas such as tunnels, underpassing, or bridges. As mentioned, Ferromex continuously seeks for secure operations. However, major limitations or abridgment comes when limited or non-existent fiber optics infrastructure is in place, on the way or within the yards. And this is the limiting factor for proper video transmission. Power availability along the railway is still limited and expensive. Therefore, Ferromex has to complement its CCTV infrastructure properly. Other challenges Ferromex is facing, however, are video transmission, speed, and reliability, due to, again, the lack of fiber optics extension along the railway, and the availability of power for the devices along the railway and its cost. So we are working on these additional areas. As mentioned, Ferromex has deployed 38 Huawei Power Cube with microwave solution to provide supply network connectivity in remote sites. Huawei's Power Cube with microwave is widely used then to provide power supply network connection for the cameras in remote scenarios. IPC cameras covering the level crossing scenario are provided with HD video and AI analytics function as part of the platform. As you can see, the great value of Huawei's infrastructure is that we as Ferromex have been able to lower the operational risks, increase productivity and efficiency, reduce or prevent accidents, improve decision making within operations, real-time monitoring and surveillance in general, and in general terms, providing better cost for our customers and efficiencies in general. So this is it. Thank you very much for your attention. My name again is Luis Avila. My email is luis.avila@ferromex.mx, and I will be happy to attend any question or additional comments you would like to discuss or further go in detail as part of this presentation. Thank you very much. Have a good day, and again, welcome to Mexico. Bye.